All right, guys, welcome back. We're going to go straight into it. Let's go. We're going to start off with the BTC on the trading view. Let's just have a look on here. Hope you lot, guys, whatever, had a great weekend. And yeah, let's see what the chart's doing. This is coming to you kind of live. I've just come in and we're just going to go straight on with it and see what's happening in the Bitcoin Tether chart. Let's have a look anyway. So my lines are still in, and this is the daily, yeah. So you can see from here, Wednesday, the 14th of January, we dropped down here to this point, 6th of February. We was going up in this channel here. So I did a yellow one here, and then this blue channel here. And then from this point here, which was the Wednesday the 6th of May, yeah, Wednesday the 6th of May, we come down. And my drawings there, this is on the daily, you can see we're heading down here. So I know here, I've peaked too soon. I'm just going to move that over. I'm going to just move that over and see if it comes down here. Yeah. And even drops even more down to these magnet lines down here, like you got a 48, a 47, a 44, and it keeps on going down here because I've shown you this before, guys. All these lines here are coming down to these lines from June the 11th, which is a week and a bit to go. So if we don't have some sort of headline news to make this dump all the way down quite quickly, it will be stair-stepping down, and that's my line there. I've got around to the 11th of January coming down. Remember these, it can go down to 35. I've put this cross there with that green marker here at 33. That's my take on it, guys. I'm not saying it will, I'm not saying it won't, but my take on it is 33k that we're going to go down to. Let's just see what happens with this. But if you're trading this, it's going down, guys. We're going down. We had this little run up here, but it's come down now. It's hit the peak there, and it is coming down, guys. And we are starting a new month. So here you can see this blue line here. Let's just change that to a yellow so you can see if it's going to go past that one. Yeah. So here, we're ever so close. Let's just take it down to the 4 hour. To the 4 hour, and let's go into this one. So yeah, we're waiting to midnight Sunday tonight, and I'm going to say it's going to drop here, and we're going to drop down and drop down and drop down. Yeah, so don't worry, guys. It's good news because if you're not in, you can get into a lot of meme coins which are down the bottom, and if you're trading the Bitcoin, you're just waiting for it to level off and then get in. It's going to be around. Let's put this in a bigger view here. Yeah, I mean, if it's following this trajectory here, I'm going to make this white now. One moment. Yeah, we've got. Let's do it to our daily also. The daily is. Let me search that. Yeah, so look at this, guys. So, you know, if it follows that and we're waiting for it to come up there, that's August, and at this crossing down here, October. October would be a year anyway, wouldn't it? From the highs, yeah. If we go up here, October here was the high. Was it October the 6th? Yeah, that's right. October the 6th, 2025. So if it's still the year, you know, from the high to the low. So October the 6th, 2026. Look at that. October, somewhere down here, the 6th. I mean, it might not be spot on, but look, that trend line, that white trend line is down here. So it could go to around October the 23rd, November. It could even carry on down there because these lines are coming from way back when. Remember here, and even down here. You see, this was the COVID. Was it the COVID down here? So yeah, yeah, guys, that's the limit. This one here, this thick line here. So we don't know if it's going to drop down here, guys. That's you got even till January 2027. But anywhere along this line there, yeah, we're just looking out into the future for this one. Any time it comes up here, it's going to drop down, but it could come up from this green line here. August, we'll have to see what happens, and if it drops down again, it could be October, and that will be around the yearly play that a lot of players and people are saying. Influencers, can say that right, are saying the same thing. It's a yearly thing, but I'm just watching my charts that I've drawn, and once it comes out of here, yeah, once it comes out of here, this white line, trend line going down, that's when we're on the move to go up here on the BTC. Okay, let's just go to ETH now and see what's happening here on ETH. Let's go to the one moment. Yeah, so here on the ETH, a lot of people are calling it out now and saying it's no good, but we're hanging in there because all of our meme coins that we're trading are on the ETH. So you can see that purple line from here is going all the way down, and it's hit that spot here. And I said in this 2 bars here, it is on the daily, by the way, just to give you the big picture, it is on the daily. But these 2 bars, something will happen, didn't I? Didn't I say that? Yeah, and it did. See, from here, it's dropped down now. It's there stepping down here. So here was the 3rd of June, which is in a few days' time. I said we can see where it's going to go, but it seems to be heading down with the BTC. If it comes past this yellow trend line here, we're going down to even further this spot. But it might try to get up here, up till June, or come back down again till July, or even come back down again to this end till July, August. We don't know, guys, but we're just going to follow it on this one. I've got a green trend line, thick one here that I put in. It could be going down to here. That's the 4th of June, depending on the news and depending what happens. But it is going down. It is going down. Hopefully we can stay in this range here where I've put this blue level trend line here, because that was the total lunar eclipse was here. So it shouldn't really go past that. But you never know, guys. You never know. That is the limit there, 1st of July. So it looks like in June we'll probably be going down, and that's from tomorrow onwards. We'll be going down here, and then we'll see if this plays. If it plays along here, yeah, consolidates, we might go out and we might be able to come out of this range here. Otherwise, we're going down even more. But that's ETH. That's ETH. I just wanted to show you that what's happening on ETH. I've got this written down, by the way, because I've got a lot of things to say today. Pulse. We'll have a look at the Pulse chain, or what's on the Pulse chain, because a lot of people, let's just go to my list now. A lot of people are kind of slagging this off, the Pulse chain and Richard Hart. But I'm a true believer, because we're really, really down the bottom now. We're really, really down the bottom. And it's just waiting, it's just waiting for ETH to go up, and then it will fly up. So with all these coins, guys, with all these coins, if you believe in what you've studied, and then you should be happy to sit on your bags. So here's Wrapped Bitcoin and Pulse. So we're on 151.94. 23.44 million market cap, 131 liquidity, 96k holders, guys. There's a lot of people holding this one because they do want their money's worth. I'm going to put it on the daily just to show you something, the bigger picture. You see, we are kind of down at the bottom now. I'll just squeeze this up for you. You see, it's come from down here. You see, it's come from down here and we're slowly going up. But this is the range here. Yeah, the range is going down here. So if I just bring this up a bit for you. And this is the daily. So the point that we've got till end of July, guys, before we see any movement in Pulse chain. Yeah, so that's wrapped BTC versus Pulse. The rest are probably going to do the same. I'll go through a few that I'm interested in. So that one I'm interested in. This is on the Pulse chain, guys. Richard Hart. Shall we go over to? Let's just go over to. Oh no, hold on a minute. I was going to go to X, but let me just continue with this. Like, here we go. So I am in this Teddy on the Pulse chain. I'm in this one. Last time I looked at it, it was way down. Hopefully it's going back up. Let's see. But all the coins are doing the same, guys. So you got nothing to worry about. I mean, you can't do nothing. You can't take your money out now. Do you know what I mean? It's like, you just got to not think about it. Look at that. It's just gone way down the bottom, way down the bottom. We're waiting for it to go back up. There's nothing much we can do. I haven't even, put any lines in it because it's still going down. I mean, I suppose I can just do this one. Just have some sort of range. It's moving on me now. Let's have a look where that's in. June. Could be June the earliest. See what happens there. End of June for Pulse chain. That's what I said. Beginning of July. I said to BTC and ETH, if they're going down next month, June, everything else is going to go down. So, you just have to bite your tongue. That's what I can say. Let's have a look at another one. I mean, they are the same, guys. They are the same. Look, BTGC, everybody's favorite on Pulse chain as well. So this is on 7405, and we've got 21 million market cap. If it stays there, I can read it. 403 in liquidity, 17k holders, and this one, you see, it's the same pattern going down. Yeah, some a bit higher than others, but I'm gonna stretch this like so. I mean, yeah, if I put another line in it from here, that could be from here to here. So that's 5th of July I got for that one. Let's look at the UFO also, because the UFO is on the Pulse chain network also, but this has got a lower market cap here. So this will pump really well when the time is right. So UFO to PTGC, because that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm going to get some UFO when I get some money off my ETH plays and put it in UFO to get some PTGC, to get some Pulse chain. Hopefully, he says, yeah, hopefully. All right, so I mean, look, I've got August for this one. I've got around August for here, this one. So I'm not gonna delve too much into it, guys. You can see the plays, what's gonna happen on the Pulse chain one. They're gonna be last to go, in my opinion. What was the one down here? Have I got any more? Right, BTC, I just done that. Oh, the most, that's another good coin. I do. It's only a couple I want to get into. I'm in Teddy and I'm in the SAB, another one, and this one I want to get. Let's have a look. It's on 2937, 2.92 million. I think I did see, yeah. 85 liquidity, 843k holders, 843, yeah. And we're down here at the moment. So look at that, guys. You can see what's happened here, yeah. You can see what's happened. It's gone past this one, and I'm just going to stretch this one out there, and that one's gone out as well. So if I just bring this down, so end of June, yeah, end of June, guys. And if you're getting somewhere around the bottom, around there, it could go lower, probably will. So this, we're just taking a look at this, guys. We're not really putting any money down yet, but could it? Has it got a? It has actually. Hold on a minute. This is not even straight. Let me just put this straight for you here. So it didn't. Sorry, guys. It didn't reach the bottom yet. It didn't reach the bottom. Look, if I just go here, yeah, you see, it didn't reach the bottom here. So we still got to the end there. So say the end of June, beginning of July. If you get in somewhere down there and it goes to its all-time high, that's 14,000%. 14,000%. Oh, good. That's not even straight. Oh my God. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I don't know what happened here, but I must be not really concentrating enough. Let me just bring this down to what it's supposed to come to. Yeah, down here. So yeah, if you're getting down there, it's 14k, say percent up to its all-time high, and it was here. I'll show you where it was. This is on the daily. It was up here. I got 6 there. Well, anyway, it's a lot. It's a lot if it goes up there. And as you can see, we are guys, we are right down the bottom here, and that's for most. So we're going to try and get in this one. I'll tell you when I'm going to get in. I'll tell you when I've just bought some, but it won't be for another month. Going to see what happens here, end of June, beginning of July. If things go up, yeah, God willing, if things go up, then we're going to get into most, yeah, most. So that's the post chains ones. Let me just have a look what some of these are doing on the ETH now. So on the ETH, is it ETH? Are we on? Yeah, we're on the ETH meme coins now. Someone said I think they sold. What did they sell? I can't remember, but they said they were going to go into Troll, and I did look at that, and yeah, I could be. It's another one I want to get into. Let's have a look at this. 2188. 2 million market cap, 536k, 100% locked, 15k holders. What we done here? So I'm going to go to the 4 hour to be more precise. So according to this, let me just, yeah, you got to see what happens at the end of the week, guys. End of next week for this one. Is it going to come out or is it going to go lower? Yeah, so this is Troll. This is Troll there. And let's have a look. Yeah, it's starting to go up. So it probably could do another one of these here and go up here even more. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully. Let's have a look at a bigger picture on this one. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's a bit like, there you go, it's a bit like OMIKAMI, you know, you're going up here, sort of come back down, people put in there, you've gone up there, you're coming back down. So yeah, it's looking to take off actually. The guy who said he's going to go on in this one, I don't know if he's in this one yet, but yeah, it is a good play because it's come right back down now, and it looks like it's come out of this triangle here. Sorry, I'll put it bigger. It's come down. Oh god, bear with me, guys. It's about 100 degrees in here. It's, yeah. So, and I haven't got a fan or anything, so that's only water. But anyway, see, it's come out from here, yeah, and it's come to retest. This is gonna shoot up. This is gonna shoot up, guys. So yeah, I mean, okay, let's move this. Let's just move this a bit. Right. Yeah, you got. I think you got into end of, or Tuesday or something. This is very because it's gonna come down and retest either this line here or this line here before it shoots back up. So if you're in troll, just wait for the pump, guys. And if you want to get into troll, yeah, it'll be worthwhile. It will be worthwhile to get into troll. Yeah, if you got any change, if you got any spare cash. Okay, so that's troll. What was the other one we're looking at? Broccoli. Still want to get in. Let's have a look at this one. And El Meow, that's another one I want to get. This is coins that just personally to me, guys. If you've got any favorites that I haven't mentioned here, just write in, yeah. Just write in. And you got till the end of June for that one. No hurry on that one. That's broccoli. Let's move on. This Graze thing, if it's got more money sitting in the bank, then I'll take a look. But oh god, look at that. Market cap is 23. Liquidity is only 13k, guys. Liquidity is only 13k. There's no point. There's no point because people just want to take their money out from this one. There's not enough money in the bank for that one. I'm gonna just. I'll leave it one on there. You never know. You never know for that one. Let's see. I know I said this bank because it was fairly new. Let's see. Yeah, it's up the top now. We're waiting for it to come back down, yeah. We're waiting for it to come back down to this green line here on 4549 before we do anything. Oh, we'll come back to that. Shiba Predator, another one. Let's have a look what this is doing now. I have got a bit of money saved, just very little. I want to get into something before it shoots up. This one is down the bottom now. We're going to have to move this along. We're going to have to move this along now. Yeah, it's another one, end of June. It's touched that. Right, we'll take that one out. So my next line is down here. Yeah, 22nd of June. I can see most of these coins coming down a little bit more. And so we can bring the price check down. So if we get in somewhere down here, it's 4.792%. If it goes to its all-time high, yeah, that's Shiba Predator, and that's 807 market caps, 576 liquidity, 99k locked, 13k holders. It's good. It's good enough. It's been around for a while. It's not bad. Because this is the bottom. This is the bottom now, down here. So yeah, not long to go for that one. If you're interested, guys, do your research. Yeah. What else? something special. Let's see, anything special. Not really, you know. I mean, I'd say the ones that you can see, I'm in all these already. A few dollars. Let's see what's happening with this Doge, which I want to get out of. That's Doge on BNB actually. So this is 254 million market cap, 936 liquidity, and 1.2 million holders. Oh, that's a little bump. It's going to do another one of those, I think. Consolidate. So, good. Where are we? Yeah, I mean, I did buy in the beginning of the year, and it's just dropped. And nothing I can do, guys. Nothing I can do. You can only hold. And, yeah, nothing we can do. If it does another one of these, let's just, if you're interested, let's see. Well, let's see from here. The day range, roughly, guys, roughly here to here. All right, from here to here. 18. Yeah, so you got. Well, I don't know what's happening with this machine. Yeah, you got till August. It's going to do another one of those, I think. Another one of those, another 3 months. June, July, August. Yeah, another 3 months before the Dogecoin starts going up. So, yeah, we're going to have to sit on those bags for that one. What else? I'm sure I had. Okay, I think we're just going to go to OMIKAMI now, guys, because as I said, all of these coins are down. Let's have a look at oh meow. That should be coming to the end before the pump, if you want to know. Let's have a look. As I said, I was in this, but I'm out now. Let's have a look down here. What's happening here? I'll go to the 4 hour. You can see a bit clearly here what's going on. Yeah, it's just got a while to go. Yeah, look. It's got a while to go on this one. We're looking at, yeah, 18th of June. Yeah, well, a couple of weeks yet before anything happens on that one. And the pup did go up. Let's have a look at this pup on Wrap BNB. Let's see, where is it? There. So we're on 1575. We're on 1.57 million market cap, 341 liquidity, 52k holders. Yeah, you see this one here is stair stepping its way up now. Right, it's come out of that triangle, that big triangle there. It's done another triangle here, and it's done another triangle there. So we what really want it to do is, this is the 4 hour, just stretch it. That comes to here. Yeah, so that's tomorrow, guys. Hopefully we'll bounce back up here, bounce back up, and give me a bit more profit, and everybody else who's in it. You know, it might be going up slowly. I might do a cup and handle if you're lucky. Yeah, because I did measure it there. You can see it. You can see it there. Yeah, look. That came from down here. Look, I'll just show you what I mean. From here to here. That's the top here, but it is in the middle, so it could go down to here, or like something like that. Anyway, this is what I'm talking about. There. So you measure that from there. Yeah. So this could be the next play up to here. Yeah. So that'll be like here. Gonna go up to here, something like here. So it's not long to go. As I said, from tomorrow or next week or something, or Tuesday, it could go back up here next week. So, they're stepping up. That's okay. As long as it's going up and ain't going down, that's not bad for a pup. Yeah. Um, and I did do, I'm sure I done well, I'll show you anyway, just to give you some reference on Fibonacci there. So, oh, sorry, the fib retracement. I'm tongue tied at the moment. So yeah, down here, you see, um, if it's from here, yeah, you see that. If I blow it up now, it's just touching, yeah, you can see that. It's just coming up to here to get out of that red zone here. So it will come out of that red zone and come up to here. Yeah, I have drawn it in really. Let me just put a thicker line there to come up to somewhere. This, what's this? Yeah, that's the 504. That's the 504. It can go up to there. So we just hopefully go up slowly and take a bit of profit or leave it in. It's up to you guys. But that is pup. Yeah, that is pup, and that's what's happening there on pup. Okay, let's just go to OMIKAMI now. I want to see what's happening on the website because I haven't been on there, or we haven't been on there for a long time. Yeah. Let's have a look. Here we go. So this is OMIKAMI, guys. I know you've been waiting for. Let's see what's occurring. 5196 here. 5196. 4.92. It's gone down million. 475 liquidity. 1192k holders. With the holders, we're still in there. We're still in there. 11.92k holders. Yeah, you see, this is the 4 hour. Done the bottom there. And it started to come back up, come down, and someone sold off there. Let's just have a look. Yeah, it's only this guy. Don't worry, guys. I mean, this guy's dropped, probably put 5 grand in or whatever, 4.756. He's taken his money out of OMIKAMI. Who cares? We don't care. It's more money for us. You can buy his bag. If you want, but then someone's put in 1,000 here. What else? Yeah, see, this guy put in 3,000 there. So yeah, a lot of people not too sure what to do. These players here, see, they're putting in free, taking out free, putting in free. They don't even know what they're doing. If you put your money in, guys, you just stay in. Yeah, you stay in for the long haul. You stay in because you believe in OMIKAMI, like the rest of us, guys. Taking it out and bottom in and out, well, I don't know, it's up to you guys. If you know what you're doing, you can do it, obviously, but if you're just here for the millionaire zone, you just want to buy and hold, guys. Buy and hold, as I told you numerous of occasions here. So if we follow this yellow trend line coming down here, yeah, it seems to be hugging it now. You see, he's trying to burst out of this line here, and from down that bottom there, I think we're going up here to this zone up here, but only because this guy sold off, it's dropped here. So I reckon we could get a bounce and go up here, because remember, guys, OMIKAMI seems to be doing the exact opposite, or it's a month behind or whatever from Bitcoin and ETH. So if Bitcoin and ETH are going down at the moment, it might do I'll draw it in for you, don't worry. This guy sold off, right? So I reckon come tomorrow, Monday, some people are going to be buying back in, and I reckon we'll go up before it bounces and then comes back down here. Yeah. Let me just change that for you. So yeah, I think it's going to do something like that. We'll have to wait and see on OMIKAMI, yeah? Because let's just go and see before we carry on on the X, and what's happening here, what's been happening here on the X. Um, Boy, it's hot. Is it hot where you are? It's boiling here in the UK because we're not used to it. I don't have no aircon or anything, and there's no wind outside, so it's like a sauna in here. Anyway, um, yeah, 34k followers. The journey of 1,000 miles. That was in February, so not much going on there. Yeah, um, yeah. Let's look at the portal. Let's look at omikami.com. Let's see what's happening here. Uh, Sorry about that. Um, yeah, I can't control the music because it's over there. Um, all right, let's have a look. Okay, why isn't it loaded now? Why is it stuck? It wants me to wait. Oh God. Yeah, I wanted to talk over this because don't have kids watching. Hopefully not. Let's see. Right, so this ain't happening for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why. Oh, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Mom's calling. Um, Hello. Yeah. Yeah. You just leave it. It's fine. It's fine. No, no, you just leave it. Don't worry. Yeah, yeah, it's all right. It's all right. Yeah, it's no problem. Yeah, no, it's fine. Just leave it on. Yeah, yeah. Right. Ciao. Ciao. Yep. All right. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Um. Right. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. We're back. Let's just see if it's loaded. Yeah. It didn't. It didn't. Yes. Here it is. So 163 days, 4 hours, 50 minutes, 42 seconds. Omikami halving timer. So the halving is going to be in 163 days, guys. And yeah, we could see definitely a big difference to the um, the numbers on this one. Yeah. So the estimated date is 11/11/2026. I know nothing happened last year, but this year I got a good feeling about. I got a very good feeling about this one this year, and yeah, that's the halving countdown. Let's just see. Nothing much happening in the neck. Can I scroll down? Can't do can't do. Yeah, this is nothing really going on here. But anyway, let's just get back to the chart here, and yeah, so you can see here, yeah. So we went up here and it's going down here. So it just needs to complete this triangle here, down here, right? Down here. So here. And here is, what's it? I got the July. I got those points. I've just moved that here. Yeah, so we're coming from up here. It could even come even more actually. I mean, I've got to really be very precise on here. But as you can see, the triangle is going. Let's squeeze this so you can see it more clearly. Yeah. So it's come down here, and you can see this is the point here. Will it go past this and carrying right down here to August, or right down here to September, end of September time? Only time will tell, guys. But remember, if you're If you're in, you're in. And, you know, it'll be great for all those who believed, because this can only go up, guys. Yes, I know it can go down here, guys, but it's going to break out of this triangle. And when it does, guys, let's just get you the daily. And let me just show you what I mean here. Yeah. So, yeah, you can see there, right? I think if I stretch this, yeah, if I stretch this down here, right? Remember, that was around the total lunar eclipse. So that's the low here, yeah. It's just like Bitcoin in a way. If you know the charts, you know the charts. Down here is the low here, and we've gone up here, come back down here. Gone up here, gonna go back down lower here. So we're gonna go back up here. See, we're gonna go back up here. Yeah, and then we want to get on top of this and then burst out, right? Because in the big picture, we're like this. We're so far down the bottom, guys. It's a joke, because everybody's impatient. Yeah, everybody's impatient. The high was here, 6th of June 2024, right? And we're down here now. Yeah. So we want to come out of this main big triangle here. And if I just stretch it even more down here, could be 2027. Hopefully we go up here, because look, right, I'm going to just do if this happens, yeah. So we come up here and now we're going down. So if we were to go down here, something like that, and then break, and then come retest that, and then come up here, you see, and then come up, that's it. That's all we need, because that's a W pattern here. The W pattern to break out of this little small triangle before we get out of the big triangle, yeah? I know it might seem a bit, you know, a bit complicated and a bit, oh yeah, he's saying this every week and this and that. But, guys, you can see the big picture, guys. There is the top, right? There is the top. Let me just squeeze this all the way. Yeah? And this is the bottom. The bottom is down here, look. The bottom is down here. What's happened here? The bottom is down here. Sorry, guys, let me just... yeah, the bottom is down here, right? And we're going up here, and then we're gonna go down here, you see, and then we just need to break out of this triangle, and then boom, boom, like that. It's not even going to go like that. It's probably going to go up like some mad thing up here, like that. Yeah, it's 2027. Yeah. So we just need to hold on, guys. We just need to hold on to your OMIKAMI bags, yeah, and believe. And I am in this one. I've got quite a few bags, yeah. And I did put down, the last time I put down, I think was the last month. So yeah, I've only got a little bit of change to get in some smaller meme coins, but these bags are for my wealth generation, for my family, for my wife, for my friends, for everything I want to do in life. As soon as the OMIKAMI pump goes, guys, yeah, I'll be delving into those bags one by one, because you've only got one life, guys, and you're only going to have one chance to do it. So up to you, want to do what you want to do with your bags, but yeah, they're to be spent, and I'm going to spend them any so way and any so how, and have fun doing it. Okay, let's just go to Reagin now. Before we come back to that, let's have a look at Reagin. What's Reagin doing? And remember, Reagin's low in market cap, so it should be giving us a little insight to what's going to happen to OMIKAMI, if not by a week or whatever. So we're on 2478, yeah. We're on 2.48 million, 293 liquidity, 100% locked still, and 11.15k holders. So if we look here, we'll go straight to the 4 hour. Yeah, well, you can see the big picture here before we go. Look, see, up, consolidate down, up, consolidate down here, see? Then you're going to go up, consolidate down. That is the pattern, guys. I'm going to show you what's more. Look, just to keep you, calm, the people that are in there and thinking, well, this is never going to happen. Look, up, consolidate, down, up, consolidate, going down. So the next bit is up, guys. The next bit is up. Don't worry, yeah? Let's have a look on the 4 hour. Your money is safe, I keep telling you. Once it pumps, do whatever with your money, guys. Just be happy. That's all I ask. Just be happy and yeah, enjoy your life. So here, you see, it's come up here. It was in this triangle. It popped out of this triangle, went up a little bit, then another high, come right back down. Yeah, it's actually consolidating here. It's not going down. Yeah, it's not going down at all because it's consolidating along this line. Let me just take this one off because we don't need that. Yeah, consolidating there. And this one. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. All right, it's gone past the 11th of June, but that point there, right, that point there, here, that's the crossroads there, 17th, 18th of June, yeah. It is a crossroads, and what I mean by that is that it's got 3 points or 4 points crossing, yeah. And then remember this blue line, this blue trend line that you see coming from down here, right? It's been holding up. It's been holding up since the low, guys, yeah. Remember the total lunar eclipse is down here. That is the low, and it's actually bounce off, up, down, up, down. It could even go down here. Who cares, yeah? Because if this is gonna hold, guys. This is strong. This is so strong. This line here, this blue line here, it's gonna go down there, and when this crosses here, it should continue to bounce up. Yeah, and do another high. Yeah, bounce up another, do another high. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a fib retracement just from here, just to have a look where it could go. Yeah, let's have a look. So from here, have I got it from here? Yeah. So from here to here. Yeah. So you're looking at the next bit we're looking at here is here. Is from here to go. I'm just showing you where you can go up to. That first point here is the 618 here. Let's give it a right. That's the 618. So that could go to there. Yeah. So that could go up to there because we don't know. It could shoot up past that, but the first stop is there. Yeah. So that is mark 17th of June. All you guys in Rio Jin, and once that happens, I think OMIKAMI could do kind of the similar thing, if not higher. Right. So we're going to leave these markings in, as I said, from the 11th of June, which is the week after next. The World Cup's going to start. I know I'm in the UK. I've got to support England, but yeah, Brazil is my team. I'm half South American anyway, but anyway, yeah, we'll be watching that. We'll be following that. Next week will be my last weekend here because I'm getting some sun, guys. I mean, I know it's hot here in the UK, but it's not the same without a beach, is it? Let's go back to OMIKAMI. It's not the same without a beach. So yeah, I need some sea air, and I'll be off to Cyprus. But I'll be either doing some stuff from there, or before I go, I might give you one next week. Keep you up to date on what's going on if I have time. I haven't even packed yet. Yeah. So let's end on OMIKAMI once more. Yeah, let's end on OMIKAMI once more, and have a look what's going on. So OMIKAMI, as I said, 492 million, liquidity 466, 1192k holders. So we're here. I'm going to just tidy up this a bit for you, yeah? Let's have a tidy up. So we'll just take that out. Let's have a look here. Let's cross that one. I'm just going to move these over just to be a bit more exact. See, I've got crossing down here, 13, 14. Let's have a look. Then we're going to you see I've got some crossings down here, beginning of July. Yeah, so we could be going down here to this bottom one down at 3742 again. We'll have to follow it. Yeah, that's the last one here. I'll say it again, 3742. That's the last magnet line on OMIKAMI that I've got here. That's if it's following this yellow thick trend line coming down. Yeah. So at the moment, guys, for this guy that just sold off, it's just done a dump here, but I think it's going to go back up because the main market is crashing at the moment. So Bitcoin might, OMIKAMI might try head up, yeah, and then come back down, or it might head back down and go even to its lower depths. If you got money, you can still put in. I'll do the alternate, which it looks like it could do, in fact, because remember, we are following BTC to, you could come down here, 3, 4, and then down here, and then consolidate to that point there. You see, the 1st of July, right? Because the reason why I say that is because, sorry guys, bear with me, it's the end of the month. So as I said, June, it looks like we're coming down all the way down here. If it doesn't go up and break out on this one. Either way, guys, it can go either way, guys. We're just going to have to follow it. Remember, if it goes up, we're quids in. If it goes down, if you can get some money, buy in. Better for you in the long run, much better for you in the long run, because the generational wealth is going to rise. Is going to be very good for your pocket and your wallet. So you just got to look to the future, guys. Don't be impatient. Yeah, don't be impatient on OMIKAMI and Reagent, because when it goes, it's going to go, and you will have great news in knowing that you've held all this time, and that you listen to me and other people on YouTube and the TikTok and whoever is pushing OMIKAMI token and Reagent token forward. Yeah, so I think that's it. Yeah, on this one. Anyway, I will see you back here either next weekend or from Cyprus. Take it easy. Peace.